I just had one of the funnest days I've ever had. So if you've been following me, today's April 11th. Went underground, broke through to the surface from underground. I did some video from above ground while I was underground. I did some more LiDAR scans today. We dug some steps down into the old grandpa's ledge. And what we're going to do is we're going to dig the entire thing out before I even turn the metal detector back on. We're so confident now with everything about the story that it's got to be there, that we're just not even going to turn the metal detector on probably for a couple days. Although I will do, on the outside of the mine, I will do some metal detecting there because there's quartz laying around everywhere. Who knows, I might ping a random piece up on the surface where the old timers tossed it out, because back in those days they did. This video is, I just felt like messing around. I felt like taking my second flight with my drone today, so I just did that. I've got some really cool footage. In some of the drone footage that you're going to see, some of it is either fuzzed out or like blurry or pixelated out, and some of it's completely blacked out. That was because the family that I'm staying with, they asked me to not show their house. So you're going to see some areas where it's pure black, and that's just because they don't want their house shown on video and some other identifying landmarks. So I apologize for that, but you'll get the overall gist of, what this day was like and, what it's like to fly this drone. It's pretty trippy, man. So stay tuned. This is a pretty long video, but I think you're going to enjoy it. Okay. So earlier today, from underground, broke into the surface from Grandpa's supposed workings. We still haven't seen gold, but we're so confident it's there now that we're not in any hurry to get it. And I felt like I wanted to take the drone for a drive today again. Randy had brought an excavator in last year, and he dug up some old tertiary placer gravels up here. I haven't gone up there to walk and look at them yet, but I don't need to walk over there anymore. All right, motor starting. Let's start recording the video. Recording goggles failed. Press and hold the lock button to take off. All right, so second flight ever. Let's go for let's go for a scenic flight. And look at that. Let's come down here and see what the hell. It's funny. I feel like I'm actually in this thing, so I'm tilting my head and shit, and I don't have to. And my hand is turning this thing, so I've got to train my brain how to use this setup. I'm used to the old, fuck, it's just so weird, like I'm in this thing. But look at these big, huge boulders. I'm 1.3 meters off the ground, so 4 feet off the ground. Let's go see what's here. 0.9, yeah. So, starting to get the hang of this controller a little bit. I'm definitely going to come over here and, okay, now I'm getting the hang of it. Boy, the controls are pretty sensitive, and I'm trying to keep my head straight ahead. I'm flying straight ahead though. If I turn, I can see that I have a tendency to want to, like that, as it's turning, I'm naturally drawn. Holy shit, get dizzy, holy fuck. Oh my God, this is weird. Woo! I gotta stop for a sec, I'm dizzy. Wow, that's trippy. I am 0.6 of a meter off the ground, 0.5, so I'm only 18 inches. 0.7, 0.8, that's cool. Let's see if I can tilt the camera down. Oops, I forgot when you turn your hand, it goes up. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. Oh, prop wash, check that out. Oop, don't want to fly in the lake. Ooh, I thought I was going to go up from there. I was trying to be funny, but I didn't crash. So, okay, let's go over here. Yeah. I was going to try something funny, but I realized just now that I'll crash in this frickin' puddle. I don't want to do that. $1,500 drone. Okay, let's get serious about these piles. Let's see. Okay, to all you experts out there. Old tertiary gravels. This red clay. I am totally going to hit all this stuff with the metal detector. This is all virgin. Half a meter off the ground. Let's go up just a little bit. There we go. Oh, okay, that's cool. So I point the controller straight up, pull the trigger, and it goes up. And then I can fly upwards. I'm not quite sure how the camera works. It's like, am I looking at through my view screen? Am I looking through what's recording? I guess while I'm speaking right now, I'm going to figure that out when I go back, because I'll see which way the camera is looking. I'm looking down at the two mud puddles right now. Now I'm looking up in the sky, back at the two mud puddles. We'll see if that records that way. I don't know if that's what it does. So I'm just training myself today as to what this does. And since I'm doing it in real time and recording myself, I am going to see what this looks like in playback. And then that way I know. Like, I'm just trying to learn my drone, so to speak. This is like the second time I've ever flown it. See, I have 58% battery left, so I'm good. Look at the size of this boulder over here. Holy shit. Look at this thing. That is a fucking trip. Look at the size of that. Let's go up above it. And then tilt. How high am I now? I am 7 meters off the ground, so only 25 feet. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm just fooling around now. I think I stopped recording, so hang on. Yeah, I'm recording again. I accidentally hit the button, but I didn't miss much. Hey, what's that motorhome over there? Let's go find out what's happening over there. But we'll just take our time. Oh, what the hell? There's a trespasser over here, I think. Let's see what the hell. Uh-oh. We're sneaking up on somebody. We are sneaking up on somebody. We are sneaking up on somebody. Hang on, I gotta straighten my head out. I'm getting confused here. This is fucking trippy. Oh. Oh, this is fucking wild. What a trip. Must have a... Whoa, what the hell? Okay, that tripped me out. Did I knock my camera over? Let's turn around and find out. No, I didn't. Must have avoidance collision or something. Okay. Hey everyone. This is pretty fucking trippy. Alright, hey Camo. Oh wait. Camo's just ignoring this thing. Let's see if we can fly up close to Camo. Let's see what Camo does. Dude, what kind of... This is an alien. You gotta protect me from the aliens, man. Camo, what the fuck? Hey. Let's see, you're on the other side. Hey, buddy. What is that thing? Alright, we're gonna turn it around and get out of here. No, hang on. Hey, that is pretty funny, man. I am fucking laughing hysterically. Well, I'm not hysterically, but I'm just kind of like, what the hell? And then I got to... Okay, how do I land this sucker? I guess I should have read the instruction manual on how to land this thing. Oh, you just push the lock button. There we go. I figured that out. Wow! What a freaking wild ride. Holy shit. I'm a little bit dizzy and I'm a little bit disoriented, but holy shit. That was a rush. Woo-hoo! Hi everyone. Holy crap. That's weird, man. I felt like I was inside, a helicopter. What a wild ride. Damn. This is one of the best things I've bought in a long time. Holy crap. Super impressed. I guess I better shut off the, yeah. Gotta shut off the drone and stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna go edit this footage.